Hello friends, this is Somaranjan Naik and I welcome you all to my channel, The Mango Researcher. Dear friends, this video is specifically regarding a very important topic, and that is how to improve your productivity, how to make your day productive. I have added few things to my room which I felt are necessary, and I will be giving you a tour of all those things, and in case you find them productive, you can have them in your life too. One of the most important component in today's life is a mobile phone. Almost everyone has a mobile phone. The applications of mobile phone are such that it has impacted our life as a whole. Now there are many things that we don't require. We don't require calendars. We don't require an alarm clock. We don't require stickers. We don't require boards to write our future activities. And the situation has become very alarming. It's now such that staying without a mobile phone, without rather a smartphone, is very difficult because almost everyone has it, and if you don't have it or if you don't use it, then you are almost left out. You almost feel like that you are left out. One of the major problems with excessive use of mobile phones, which has been studied and has been experienced across the globe, cutting across the region, cutting across the age group, is the lack of proper sleep or irregularity in the sleeping pattern. And this is something which even I have experienced when I have started using my mobile phone excessively. Categorically, I would like to say that I will never like to blame my mobile phone for my failures. It's a beautiful gadget, it's a wonderful gadget which has given so much to us. But again, if I don't know how to control myself, then there are certain things that needs to be done so that I reduce my usage of the mobile. In this regard, I have added some things to my room, and I'd like to give you a tour of that so that in case you also feel that this is something which is of use, you can also buy them and add them to your life. So the very first thing that I've added is a calendar. I have made it sure that I use this mini calendar as much as possible. I don't go to my mobile phone because I know once I go to my mobile phone, I'll be tempted to use all the apps and then it is just a waste of time. So the basic plan is to stay away from the mobile as much as possible because this has impacted my life. So let's go to the next thing. The next thing that I've added is a wall hanging mobile holder. You can see I have placed two of them. One I am using for my mobile phone, another for the power bank. So they are excellent in their usage. Perfect things to be in your room. So I strategically placed the mobile holders at the end of this bed. My pillow is in this side. I made it sure that I don't have the mobile in this region so that I don't wake up at any point in the night and start using it. It's over here the entire night, and they are very much useful, very much. So the next important thing that I always had in my room but never used was this whiteboard. So what I did was that I have listed the things that I need to do in near future, and also a quote that I felt was very important. So every morning that I wake up, I have this board just in front of me, and I can know that what are the things which are of priority and which needs to be done first. In this way, I'm not using any to-do list, and that I think will safeguard me from using or having an excessive use of my mobile phone. The next thing that I bought were the sticky notes, and you can see they are of two different shapes and they have all their different applications. So in case there is someone who doesn't have a whiteboard, can always go for sticky notes and put it somewhere where they can see their daily work that they need to do or things that are of priority. So sticky notes are very important. I advise that stop using those to-do lists. So it's whiteboard or sticky notes. And apart from the obvious use of sticky notes, there are some other things also that I have found out are very interesting. I'll give you a demonstration of one. So you can make use of these small ones to mark your notes. You can put, if something is very important, you can then mark some important topics, which, like, suppose if you close the notebook, then also you can see it and open it. And then another one important thing that I have done, let me show you. You can do something of this sort also. Some creative people, I was not good at it, but yes, I felt that this can also have an application of this sort. So friends, in case you found this video useful, informative, then you can surely share with your friends and near and dear ones whom you feel may benefit from or may get some help from this video. And in case there are certain things that I have missed, I must have definitely missed tons of things which may or will improve the productivity. You may add it in the comment section. I'll definitely add them in my life. No problem in that. And in case some of your friends react to this video in certain way, then you can also share their reactions, the way they have taken the message sent in this video in the comment section as well. So with this I sign off. I hope this video was of some help to you. Thank you.